Before starting, please identify the studs in the wall and also prepare drywall anchors. First, install the TV mount on the back of your TV. In this example, we are showing our high security flush TV mount, but you can use your own. Test the TV installation on the wall. Lay the TV enclosure on the wall and mark the place for the holes. Prepare the holes in the wall for the anchors. Mount the TV protector to the wall using at least 4 screws. Bring back the TV and hang it on the mount. Install the TV mount front piece by inserting it in the groove above. Lock the screen on the bottom of the TV enclosure. Job done. The TV protector comes in 3 sizes. We also offer installation services. Call us with your needs.